Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to remove the watermark in Vigal AI. So you can create clean, high-quality animations without any branding. If you have been using Vigal AI and want to get rid of the watermark, stick around because I will walk you through the best methods to do it. So now let's get started. So the easiest and most legitimate way to remove the watermark in Vigal AI is by upgrading to their premium subscription. So most AI-based animation tools including Vigal AI offer a free version that includes watermarks, while the paid versions allow you to export videos watermark free. To check your options, open Vigal AI, go to settings or account and look for the subscription or pricing plan section. If there's a premium plan available, upgrade to it and you will be able to export videos without any watermark. This is the free version and this is the Vigal Pro. As you can see, it removes watermark. Just click on upgrade if you want to. And that's it. So next, if you don't want to pay for a premium subscription, another simple trick is cropping out the watermark or blurring it using a video editor. Most watermarks in Vigal AI are placed at the edges of the video, so you can use a tool like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or VN Editor to crop out the portion of the screen. If cropping isn't an option, you can use a blur effect or overlay a logo in its place to make the watermark less noticeable. So the third method is there are online tools like HitPom Watermark Remover, aPowerSoft Watermark Remover, or Adobe Photoshop for images that use AI to intelligently remove watermarks from videos. So to do this, simply upload your Vigal AI animation into one of these tools. Let's try the HitPom Watermark Remover online. Here, simply upload your Vigal AI animation and select the watermark area and let the AI erase it. However, results may vary depending on the complexity of the watermark, and some tools require a paid version for better quality. Now, if you are facing persistent watermark issues, another option is to use alternative animation tools that don't add watermarks or offer free exports. Some popular alternatives to Vigal AI includes Runway ML, Deep Motion, and D-ID AI. So these platforms offer similar AI-powered animation features and some provide free exports without watermarks. And that's all. That is how you can remove the watermark in Vigal AI. Whether you choose to upgrade to premium, crop the watermark, use an AI remover, or switch to other tool, there are plenty of ways to get a clean video. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.